Hi everyone, my name is Usha Kumari M. I work as a cybersecurity advisor in one of the MNCs. I have an overall experience of 18 years in IT sector. You can check my LinkedIn profile in the description box below. Thank you. In this video, we'll be talking about ISO 27001 clauses and controls and also explaining the difference between a clause and a control. ISO 27001 defines the requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continuously improving an information security management system. There are 10 clauses in total, but only clauses 4 through 10 contains mandatory requirement for the certification, whereas clause 1, 2, and 3, these are introductory clauses and they also don't have any sub-clauses. Clause 1 will talk about the scope, clause 2 talks about normative references, and clause 3 talks about the terms and conditions. The controls of ISO 27001 are defined in Annexure A of the standard. These controls are not mandatory by themselves, but they serve as a reference set for organizations to select and implement as part of their risk treatment process. Now, controls can be in actions, could be policies, procedures, or any tools that protect information assets by reducing vulnerabilities or addressing risks. Annexure A of ISO 27001 includes 93 controls, and for simplicity purpose, they have grouped them into themes. Now there are 4 themes: organizational, people, physical, and technological themes. Organizational theme includes 37 controls, and it primarily focuses on policies, governance, risks, and suppliers. Whereas people theme, it has 8 controls, and it's more about people management. So they focus on hiring, training, the HR security, and things like that. Physical theme primarily focuses on physical security. So it emphasizes on security of the facilities, accesses, physical assets. Technological theme has 34 controls, and it includes all the technical controls like the IT controls, access systems, coding, etc. Controls are not mandatory. Controls are selected based on risk assessment and documented in the statement of applicability. For example, of a clause will be clause 6.1.2, which is information security risk assessment. Example of a control would be control annexure A.5.10, acceptable use of information and other associated assets. The focus area of clause is management system and processes, whereas the focus area of control is security implementation, for example, encryption, physical security, or access control. What is the difference between a clause and a control? A clause is a mandatory requirement that defines how to establish, implement, maintain, and improve the ISMS, whereas a control is a specific security measure that is used to treat the identified information security risk. The clauses, they are found in clause 4 to 10 of the main body of the ISO 27001. Clauses are mandatory. All applicable clauses must be addressed for certification. Controls are not mandatory. Controls are selected based on risk assessment and documented in the statement of applicability. For example, of a clause will be clause 6.1.2, which is information security risk assessment. Example of a control would be control annexure A.5.10, acceptable use of information and other associated assets. The focus area of clause is management system and processes, whereas the focus area of control is security implementation, for example, encryption, physical security, or access control. For more such information on ISO standard, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.